What up, Smart Rapper? Ooh! What up, Smart Rapper gang?
Gang!
You know what time it is. Today we're going to be talking about 5 ways that you can tell if you actually have a hit song on your hands. Okay, now these are the signs. As soon as you see these, you're like, okay, this probably is a super hot record. I really should spend more of my resources marketing this, make sure that people are hearing it, make sure that it's really getting out there, and spending more time marketing it than you generally would another record. If people actually show you all these signs, or at least some of these signs, not everybody's gonna show you all these signs, but they show you some of these signs, it's a good chance that this is the record you really need to be marketing, as long as they're not BSing you, right? But chances are they won't show you all these signs if they're BSing you, okay? You're gonna see what I'm talking about here. I'm gonna give you those signs right after the intro. I'm Rob Level, this is smartrapper.com, and you about to get smarter right after the intro.
Don't knock my hustle, fuck yeah. Don't knock my hustle, fuck yeah. Don't knock my hustle, knock my hustle, knock my hustle. Don't knock my hustle, fuck yeah. Don't knock my hustle.
Oh, blah, 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 blah. All right, number one, if you play the song for somebody, as soon as the song is done being played, do they want to hear the song again? Do they say, yo, play that again? That is obviously, that's the first foremost, most amazing sign that is that record, because when somebody tells you play that again, they're actually going to spend the time to re-listen to it. They clearly liked it, because I know that you've had circumstances where somebody shows you something and you're like, oh God, I hope he turns it off before he's going to make me listen to the third verse. Oh, there's a third verse. Oh, you know, but if it's hot, play that again. Think about it. Number two, this will happen, but don't do it to them. And somebody's gonna say, hey, if they really like it, they're gonna say, yo, let me get that. I wanna blast that in the car. I want to listen to that for the rest of today and the next week, right? If they're asking you for you to hand them over the song, that is a fantastic sign that you have a hit song on your hands. Number three, if the song is already released and out there, number one and number two was kind of geared towards you haven't released a song yet, but you're about to release it. Number three is kind of like, okay, is it already out there? Is it on YouTube? Is it on Instagram? What are the comments saying? Okay, people are gonna be haters. Even if something is amazing, it may not be their style, but do a majority of the comments say, yo, this is fire? This is hot. Like, what do those comments say? How are people talking about the record? And are they actually giving genuine comments? Like, are they saying, yo, that one part was, ooh, or this is like that? Like, you know, like, if people are talking good about it, it's a good sign that it's a hit record. Number four, when you're marketing the record, because it's already uploaded and everything like that, are blogs actually posting it? Blogs they get so many submissions. I mean, so many submissions from hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Some blogs get thousands of rappers submitting their songs to them every day. Are blogs posting your song? If a blog says, yo, and then they post you up, that is an insanely good sign that that is potentially a hit record, because these people hear hundreds of songs a day as well. And if they picked you out of all those songs and said, I'm gonna write a blog post about this and I'm gonna post this on the website so that our fan base can hear this, if this is happening for you, that is a good sign that you have a hit song. Number five, I love this one, and this is a really big deal. Are artists reaching out to you because of that song, asking you to collab? And more importantly, are they saying, yo, can I remix your song, or can I hop on the remix of your song? Okay, that is a really good sign that that is a banger, that's a hit song, okay? Because people only want to hop on remixes of songs that they like so much that they're inspired and they're like, yo, I love that, let me redo that. You know what I'm saying? Those are the 5 signs. Let's go over them again. Number one, people want to hear it back. Number two, people ask you to give it to them, but you're like, no, because it's not even released yet. Number three, you have primarily, I'd say over 80% positive comments on the songs, on the Instagram, YouTube, wherever you have it posted up. Number four, blogs are actually posting your song. That's a big, big, big deal, people. It really is. Congratulations if you're getting posted by some serious blogs. And number five, artists are reaching out to you to collab or remix your song. Those are the 5 signs. You know what time it is.
I got this right here, man. It's time for word of the day. New words you could say, new words for your rhymes and for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, you'll be smarter than you was before. This is so stupid.
Time for word of the day. Today's word of the day is telegenic. It's a real word. It's someone who's likely to look more attractive on television. It's like photogenic. You know how you look better in a photo? Like Instagram models are photogenic, maybe they're telegenic, but not in real life.
All right, do you have any other signs that you feel like you think a song's gonna be a hit song, or somebody does it for you? Let people know below, all right? Hit me with a comment, hit me with a like, and hit me with a subscribe. When you hit subscribe, hit the little bell, because it's gonna notify you every time I release a new video, so you could become a smarter rapper, okay? I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with another video, because one releases every day. Until then, go ahead and check out these other videos, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Keep hustling, all right? Keep working on songs, make new songs every day. I mean, I made a whole song. Actually, I made a song and a half. Actually, I made 2.5 songs yesterday. Just keep cranking it out. Get in the studio, write, record. You're gonna be sluggish sometimes. It's not always gonna produce something, but if you're not working, you can't be creating a hit. You can't be making a hot song if you're not working, all right? So get to the drudge work. You got this. Check out those videos. Keep hustling. See you tomorrow.